Guys, nandito kami sa
Alameda,
USS
California.
Hornet sa Alameda, California. Itong museum, ito yung anong tawag dito sa ship na
USS Hornet.
ito yung USS Hornet Air and Space Museum. Yeah,
Sea and
and
Air.
Sea and Air. So, yung over there, yung nandoon is San Francisco. Pero pupunta kami diyan, hindi ko inaasahan na, makikita ko in my own eyes na yung ship na mga ganito, yung kung saan hindi ba yung napupanood natin sa pelikula na 'di ba diyan din naglaland yung mga jet plane,
Aeroplano,
yung mga jet fighter. Yeah. So ngayon, naka-dock na lang dito. I think this is decommissioned, I think.
Yeah, oo,
Yeah, it's decommissioned. Just for the museum na lang talaga. Yeah, wow, amazing. Yeah, there's a lot of spectators also watching the kasi talaga namang talagang laki. ilang
Laki
story,
talaga.
ilang story,
Yan nga, yun.
ilang
Alam mo,
story yan.
Sila nagpa-picture gitna.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kung ano ka, yun ang parang may pangalan mo.
Yeah. Hindi, mas maganda doon kasi kita mo yung body. Oo.
Pero, kung
Pero-
ano ka, ha?
Okay. Okay, wait, let's see, let me just zoom. Yeah, there. Yeah. So according din sa bayaw ko, ito din ata yung
World War II.
ano ito, World War II, right? And then ito din ata yung sumundo doon sa yung Apollo 11. Yeah, siya yung pumunta doon sa dagat to recover the capsule from the outer space. Yeah. Wow.
Ito laki.
Tingnan mo naman yung yung kanyang angkla, ang tawag anchor. Right? Siguro hindi naman isa lang anchor nito. So syempre napakaraming anchor siguro. So ayan guys. Guys, basahin ko na lang. On April 1942, B-25 bombers were hosted to the flight deck of the carrier Hornet, which is this one, and parked there while more at Pier number 3 US Navy Station in Alameda. B-25. So 1,000 hours, April 2, 1942, task embarked on their mission under sealed order sailing out of San Francisco Bay in a fog which reduced her visibility to about 1,000 yards. So yeah, from the deck of the carrier Hornet at 8:25 hours on April 18, 1942, Lieutenant Colonel Doolittle led a flight of 16 B-25 bombers on a daring and over Japan, hitting targets in Tokyo, Yokohama, and the city, scoring a huge victory. It was the first Allied strike on the Japanese homeland following the devastating attack on the American Pacific Fleet. Yeah, so ito yun, di ba? Ito yung ginamit. The Hornets mission was kept an official secret for a year until the President Roosevelt referred to the origin of the Tokyo and only as Shangri-La. But ang spelling ng Shangri-La, Shangri-La dapat eh. But it says there Shangri-La. Yeah. So guys, titingnan natin doon, aakyat din tayo. Hindi ko alam kung may bayad, pero
May bayad,
$25.
$25.
Sige, akyatin natin yan.
Nakalagay naman eh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ito tira natin yan.
Tingnan natin dito. Pero ang laki talaga. Napakalaki. Tingnan nyo naman. So, so $25 adult admission, and then senior is $15, or you are in military, and if you are student or youth, 15 and 10. Children is free, and also people who are member of this museum also are free. So guys, ito na. Takot ako ah. Yeah. So, katakot ah. So, guys, di na ako titingin sa ilalim. Alam mo naman na I'm have a fear of heights. So, guys, nandito na tayo sa loob. Oh, wow. Ali, anak ko na.
For three, one senior and two.
So guys, pagdating mo dito sa loob, parang ito nga, meron tong space naman for, imagine this ship can accommodate 3 planes. Can you imagine that, guys? It can accommodate these 3 planes. Oh, ito yung bomba. Oh, ganda. I know. Yeah. Guys, meron ditong part na parang halo, parang may malalim siya.
Nasa ilalim na ng tubig yan.
Oo, siguro ito yung bumubukas ito. Yeah.
Oo, yan na yung kargado. Ito, naginom pala yun.
So ito ay elevator operation. Dito mag-o-open. Hindi yung plane dito, mas kaganon. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah, so sasakay dito yung plane. Mas o-open yan. Right? Yeah. Okay. So guys, tingnan nyo yung, di ba yung, nakita nyo naman pumasok ako dito sa ship na to, sa Hornets na ito, right? Tingnan mo how planes can it hold. Yeah, inside this battleship, this Hornet, how many planes can hold. You see how far the ship, you know, ang daming aeroplano siya ma-hold. Tingnan niyo naman. Tingnan niyo naman.
Sabi mo, hindi totoo.
Can you believe what I'm seeing right now? Ito yung Apollo command module. Ito yung niretrieve nila from the outer space. This is the real one. Guys, this is not just a mock-up machine or something. Of course, they kinda, but ito yun. Yun, no? Wow. Can you believe how tough the Ito yung Apollo.
Yun yung upuan nila.
Oo.
Apollo.
Ito yung upuan ng Apollo. Yeah. So, ito yung upuan ng Apollo. Yan. Wow. So guys, ito, of course, the Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, yung astronaut who make first footprints on Earth after walking on the moon. So dito sila na-quarantine itong area na to. This is the actual capsule where they were quarantined. Syempre hindi alam pa ng mga tao nun, ng mga scientists kung what they can bring from Earth, from moon, right? So ito yung kanilang isolation or the suit garments, at saka ito yung replica na lang pala ito. So but this is exactly the replica, of the suit of those astronauts. Ito pala ang mga itsura noon. Yeah. There's a lot of fake news right now na sinasabi nila na hindi daw nakarating ang tao sa moon, but I don't believe that. I know that this is the real thing. So guys, yan yung capsule Yan yung capsule nila. Hindi sila pinalabas. Yung parang capsule na they quarantine.
Hindi dyan nga sila kinausap sa bintana na yun.
Ito yun. Ito na yon. Ito na yon yung actual. Yeah. So guys, ito naman yung ano, this is the early flight simulation, right? Yeah. Ito yung ginagamit ng mga astronaut. No, the mga pilots pa na. During the early days. So guys, lalabas na tayo, may isang pinto dito na lalabas tayo. Wow. So ito naman yung pinaka tail ng barko, yung pinaka puwet niya. So nakita niyo naman overlooking the San Francisco. Now, ano tayo titingin tayo gaano tayo kataas ano, pero I have to hold on to the cell phone. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Tingnan nyo naman. Can you believe guys na napakabigat nitong battleship na ito? Itong
Pero nagpo-float, ano?
nagfo-float kami ngayon, naka-float kami ngayon sa tubig. Hindi naman siya yung tipong gumagalaw or hindi pa syempre parang gumagalaw-galaw, hindi. Talagang station talaga siya, talagang stable yung ano namin, hindi siya gumagalaw. Yeah. So guys, papasok tayo doon sa ilalim ng barko kung saan siguro yung mga tingnan mo yung mga higaan nila, oo, yung mga tulugan ng mga sundalo noon. Yeah, tingnan.
Tingnan natin ito eh. Nandito na.
Sige, pasok ka dyan.
Baka di ako makalabas. Dapat may body kasama dito, di ba?
Oo. Baka shower room siguro. Baka ito yung shower room nila.
Oo.
Hindi, mga gamit nila. Ayan, oh. Yeah. So guys,
Ay, may sakol.
goodness. Ito yung, dito yung kainan nila. Yeah, ito yung parang pinaka-lunch, lounge nila. Yeah, and this is also the, yung medical nila din dito. Yeah. Dito yung mga surgery, kung mga emergency, dito din nila ginagawa. Yeah. Ay. Dad. Come on, Dad. Yeah.
Kainan pa natin.
Yung kamay ni
Hindi,
Marian.
patagilid ka yung sapatos.
Patalikod ka, bali ka.
Hindi, ito pa ganun.
Yeah.
Yan, patagilid. Narinig ko na po.
Ito yung,
Ito pang special visitor ko rin.
ito yung mga, mga lever ba yung tawag nila? Yung mga valve. Ito yung kitchen nila. Dito nila luluto yung mga food nila.
Ano tawag din yung cook, di ba?
Yeah, oo.
Pag Navy ang trabaho.
Ito another higaan na naman ng mga ng mga soldiers noon. Yeah. So, yeah. Dito sila nakahiga. Napaka very strong, sturdy. Yeah.
Parang Ashley lang.
So dito yung yung parang dito yung parang church. Meron silang library dito, and then meron din sila parang chapel, small chapel sa loob ng nitong ship na ito. Ayan, chaplain. May mga exit naman eh. So this is so these are the it's functioning if you wanna go to the washroom. Here. Yeah.
Ayun.
Yeah. Kung gusto mo mag-ihi. Yeah.
Meal pala ito eh.
Men's na to eh. Yeah. Ang haba. Talaga ang haba na nilalakad namin. So every section they're interesting kasi may andyan yung hospital, parang hospital nila, library nila, chapel nila, you know. Yeah. Kasi lang, you know that this ship has a lot of history, mga traumas na naranasan ng mga soldiers siguro dito. Pero, as you try to picture it, di ba? Okay, punta tayo dito. Yung mga kadena. Yeah.
Ay, grabe nito.
Yeah. Yeah. Guys, papunta na tayo sa flight deck, yung pinakaitaas kung saan naglaland yung mga jet fighter. This is gonna be the exciting part, yung pinakaabang-abangan ko, sa aking pagtutur nitong napakalaking dambuhalang ship. So, it's good thing, no, there's escalator, but it's not working. Okay. So guys, nakakapagod ito na. Where? There.
Hindi mo muna mga loob. Nakagad yung loob muna.
Tanatan, tatanan. Indiana Jones pala yun. So, this where the jet fighter landing.
Dito kami nanood ng fireworks.
Fireworks. Wow.
Tayo,
Okay, sige. So guys, napaka-amazing. Hindi ko dala yung sunglasses, yung eyeglasses ko, yung sunglasses ng brother-in-law ko ito. Pero tingnan nyo naman. Yeah. Ang haba ng runway. Actually, kung tutusin, it's a short runway, but somehow they have this technique to how do you call it, to reduce the speed of the jet fighter when it landed. So
Ayun yung mga racks,
yeah. Let me take advantage also of the overlooking the harbor. Over there is the San Francisco, and then the Bay Bridge, and ito na, harbor na. And ito yung impressive. Sige. So ito yung di ba, naalala nyo, ito naging popular itong jet fighter na ito. Yeah. So I'm curious about yung booster niya, kung anong itsura. Ito, di ba? Buti na lang hindi na ito nag-work. Yan, dyan yung booster. So yung apoy, wow. Yeah. So guys, ito yung likuran ng jet na ito. Yeah. Wow. Can you believe yung combustion ba tinatawag doon, itong wings niya, which is it moves from time to time to maneuver probably, and also to adjust the altitude. Parang ito yung sa parang ito yung sa Top Gun. Yeah, parang ganito yung ito yung Tomahawk. Tomahawk ba ito? Guys, tama nga ako. Ito yung jet fighter. Ang tawag dito Tomcat, hindi Tomahawk, sorry.
Tomcat.
Yeah. So ito yung ginamit sa no, Tomahawk is another US military fighter.
Ayun yung inuulo
Yeah.
naming steak.
Sa Top Gun. Yeah. So I think this vlog I'm supposed to post this in Facebook, but I decided to do it to post this in YouTube. So it's gonna be a long vlog. So ang lang, hindi siya tawag dito, landscape ang tawag doon. Siya, parang nakatayo. So but if you made this far, thank you for watching. And so once again, this is ang tawag dito, itong ship na ito yung malaking ship na pang battle talaga during the World War II. Yeah. Okay, so have a nice day and thank you. Peace.